Hello viewers, in our previous class I said that in the next class I'm going to tell you the secret using elimination method to solve simultaneous equation. Okay, so listen attentively while I show you the secrets. Let me give an example. For instance, if you have 2a minus 3b is equal to 1. This is equation 1. And we have 3a minus b is equal to minus 2. Okay? This is our equation 2. So if you have simultaneous equation like this and you are asked to use elimination method to solve it, remember in our previous class I told us that there are two ways of solving simultaneous equation: the elimination method and the substitution method. Now we are going to use elimination method, and that is the reason I want to tell the secret behind it. Okay, using elimination method. So listen. So if this is the question and you are asked to use elimination method, the simple truth is this. Just know that this is how the simultaneous equation is supposed to look like. Like you have the unknown on the first column, then on the second column you have the other unknown, and after the equal to sign you have the constant, that is the one without the alphabet. That is how simultaneous equation is supposed to look like. So when it is like this, the next thing you think of, or the next thing you will do is this. You want to use the elimination method to solve this. So the next thing you consider is choice of the alphabet you want to eliminate first. Okay, you have to choose one of the alphabets. We have two alphabets here, A and B. So you choose one of the alphabets to eliminate first. So in this class, I'm going to choose A. I'm going to choose A. You can decide to choose B, okay, to eliminate first, okay? So this is how we do it. If we have to eliminate A first, then we are going to consider this. If I'm to eliminate A first, I'm going to ensure that 1, the coefficient of A in both equations should be the same. That is the number with the alphabet. The number with the alphabet. If I must eliminate A first, I must ensure that the numbers that are with A on equation 1 and 2 are the same, but their sign should not be the same. Are you hearing the condition? The conditions are the coefficient should be what? The same. There is a number with the alphabet should be what? The same on equation 1 and on equation 2. The number should be the same, but their signs should not be the same. That is the condition. Okay, so in this equation we are saying that because we want to eliminate A first, the coefficient of A in equation 1 is 2, while the coefficient of A in equation 2 is what? 3. So they are not the same. So if they are not the same, I cannot eliminate A. I cannot eliminate A first. Are you getting it? So until the coefficients are the same, but the sign should not be what? The same. What I mean is, if this one is a positive sign, then this other one should be a negative sign. Or if this one is positive, then this other sign should be what? A negative sign. That is what I mean by their sign should not be what? The same. If this one is minus, then this one should be what? Plus. Or if this one is minus, this one should be what? Plus. Are you getting it? So that is what I mean, okay? By their sign should not be the same, but the coefficient should be what? The same. So how do we achieve that? Listen. In order to make the coefficient the same, because we want to eliminate A first, what we are going to do, the secret is use the coefficient of A in equation 2. The coefficient of A in equation 2, which is 3, to multiply the whole of equation 1. I see it. Use the coefficient of A in equation 2 to multiply the whole of what? Equation 1. At the same time, use the coefficient of what? A in equation 1 to multiply the whole of what? Equation 2. So we are using the coefficient of A in equation 1, which is 2, to multiply the whole of what? Equation 2. Are you getting it? Alright. So the next thing is to multiply. Okay, there's multiplication sign here. So we are going to say 3 times 2a. 3 times 2a is 6a. 3 times minus 3b is minus 9b. Okay, equal to 3 times 1 is 3. We can say this is equation 3. You see the same thing. Now the next one is 2. We are going to use 2 to multiply the end of these equations. So 2 times 3a is going to be what? 6a. 2 times minus b is what? Minus 2b. Okay? Is equal to 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. You can say this is our equation 4. Now, we have gotten one of the conditions. We said for we to eliminate a first, it means the coefficient of a in equation 1 should be the same as what? Equation 2. Now they are the same. 6 is the coefficient of a here. 6 is also the coefficient of what? A in the other equation. So this one is suit for elimination. Okay. Now the next thing I told us about the sign. If their coefficient should be what? The same. Their sign should not be what? The same. If you look at them, you are going to observe that this one is with a positive sign. This one is also with a positive sign. Invisible plus, invisible plus. So one should be with what? Minus sign. That is the secret. So how do we achieve that? Okay, I just wanted to make a drastic teaching. Otherwise, I would have put minus in one of the what? One of the numbers here to multiply through. But I just wanted to get the number first. So it's not still a difficult thing. To make here or here minus or the signs different, what you will do, the simple truth is just put minus sign to one of the numbers here. If it's either you put it here or you put it here. Okay, just put minus sign in one of the what? Numbers here to multiply through. Okay, you are going to see that minus is going to affect the other ones. Okay, so let's do it again. Now, for me to make the sign different, okay, I will put minus. Okay, I'll put minus in one of the what? Equation. And multiply. Okay, I'll put minus and multiply. The other one should be plus. Okay, so now let's multiply again. Minus times plus 6a is going to be what? Minus 6a. Are you getting it? Minus times minus 9b. You know, minus times minus is plus. Make this one to be plus, and we have what? 9b. Okay, is equal to minus times invisible plus here. It's going to make this one what? Minus what? 3. And we can say this is equation 5. Okay. Now, on the other equation, there's no need to multiply with any sign. If you have multiplied this other equation with minus, this one just bring it down. Okay, so that will, this one will do the difference. This one, this negative sign you are used to multiply this equation is going to give the what? The different signs. Okay, so you can just bring this one, the next equation down by saying this is 6 here minus 2b is equal to minus what? 4. And you can say it is what? Equation 6. Okay? So, if you look at it, we want to eliminate a first. We have to make sure that the coefficient of a are the same, but their sign should not be what? The same. And at this point, it has reached the condition. Okay? So, at this point, what we'll do, we'll begin to what? Add and subtract. Add and subtract. Okay? In this form. So, this is minus 6a plus 6a. Minus 6a plus 6a is 0. Okay? So that is the elimination. Minus 6a plus 6a is what? 0. And that is the elimination. This is what we are looking for. Okay? And again, this is plus 9b minus 2b. 9b minus 2b is what? 7b plus 7b. Are you getting it? That is how it is. Okay, 9b minus 2b is 7b. Okay, you know that. Then it's equal to minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 means minus 7. Are you getting it? So you will now have something like this. And you know that 0 is nothing. So we'll see, right, 7b is equal to minus 7. Okay? And then you look for the value of b. At this point, you look for the value of b. Okay? Okay. So you say, for you to look for the value of b, you say you divide both sides. You divide both sides by the coefficient of b. If you have to get b, then I will divide this side and this side by what? The number that is with what? B. And the number there is what? 7. So I'll divide 7 to both sides. I'm getting it? So that 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times b is what? B. Okay? Is equal to minus divided by invisible plus here is what? Minus. And 7 divided by 7 is what? 1. Okay? From this, you substitute the value of what? B in the other equation. Okay, so we'll say at this point, we'll now say substitute b, which is minus 1, into any of the equation. You see that equation 1 or equation 2, equation 3, any of the equation is still going to give you the same answer. Okay, so but you are going to look for this simple equation. I think equation 2 is the simplest equation here. So we'll say substitute b, which is minus 1 in equation 2. And equation 2 says 3a minus b is equal to minus 2. Okay? Now, what this means is anywhere you see b, put minus 1. So we have 3a, there is b here, minus this minus is this minus. Then instead of b, I'm going to put what? Minus 1. Are you getting it? Then it's equal to what? Minus 2. Now, at this point, since there is bracket, we resolve the bracket. We still have 3a minus times minus is what? Plus. Then 1, which is equal to what? Minus 2. At this point, we take like terms. Okay? 3a should be in this side of the equation, while in the number should be in the other side of the equation. So we have 3a should be equal to minus 2. This one come here to be minus 1. Okay? So that 3a is going to be minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Okay? So that if I want to look for a, I will now say I will divide both sides by what? The coefficient of a, which is 3, so that 3 divides 3 is 1. 1 times a is what? A, which is equal to minus divided by 2 plus is what? Minus. 3 divided by 3 is what? 1. That's how it is.